Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all would be fine as usual. Students, after your recommendation again and again, today I bring for all of you an interesting story that name is Kar Bhala To Ho Bhala. Means do good so have good. So without getting late, let's start. सभी मनुष्यों को अपने कर्मों का फल अवश्य भोगना पड़ता है. Every human has to face their wrong task result surely. अच्छे कर्म करने का परिणाम सदाशिव. They may get the good result after having good. और बुरे कर्म का परिणाम अशुभ होता है. And they get the poor result after having the poor work. परोपकार को सभी श्रेष्ठ कर्मों में सर्वोत्तम माना गया है. Charity is topmost in all of the tasks. अतः परोपकारी व्यक्ति को उसके कर्म के फलस्वरूप सद्गति प्राप्त होती है. Hence, the charitable person get their result according to their task. इसलिए कहा गया है Hence everybody says that कर भला तो हो भला, do good तो have good. इस विषय में एक कहानी बड़ी प्रसिद्ध है. It's an interesting story according to this situation. बहुत पहले की बात है. Long time ago. उस समय अमेरिका, यूरोप तथा मध्य एशिया के देशों में गुलाम प्रथा प्रचलित थी. At that moment, America, Europe and the Middle Asia, in this country, the slavery system has thoroughly applied. एथेंस नगर में एक धनी जमींदार रहता था. There used to live a rich landlord that name is very famous at that moment. उसके पास कई गुलाम थे. He had so many slaves. जमींदार बड़ा ही निर्दयी था. That landlord was very cruel. बात बात पर गुलामों पर कोड़े बरसाता. He used to hit hunter at any matter without any mistake. और उन्हें भूखा रखता. And he kept hunger to all those poor slaves. उन्हें जंजीरों से बांध कर रखा जाता. He keeps bind to all of the slaves very torturefully and bindingly. और तरह तरह के कष्ट उन्हें दिया जाता था. And he used to that torture in different kinds of ways to their slaves. अपने नारकीय जीवन से तंग आकर उन गुलामों में से एक मौका पाकर रात के समय वहां से भाग निकला. After having disturbed one of the slave ran after facing this disgusting life. From that moment, रात भर का चलते चलते वह एक घने जंगल में जा पहुंचा. After walking at night, he reached in a dense jungle which was very dense and dangerous too. Now he decided to live in this jungle thoroughly. अब उसने पूरी तरह से इस जंगल में ही रहने का निश्चय कर लिया, क्योंकि वह जानता था because he knew that कि पकड़े जाने पर after catching उसे मृत्युदंड दिया जाएगा. he'll be get punished. एक दिन जब वह जंगल में घूम रहा था, one day when he was strolling in that dense jungle, तब उसने एक शेर को देखा. Then he looked to a lion. वह एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठा था. He was then sat under a tree. वह एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठा था. He was just under a tree. He was just in under the tree. गुलाम ने सोचा कि अब वह शेर उस पर आक्रमण करेगा. Then the slave thought at a stretch that now that lion will surely attack on me. मगर उस शेर ने हल्के से घुर्राकर अपना दाहिना अगला पंजा उसकी ओर उठाया. But that lion lift his left paw and he kept that paw just tight after roaring very tightly. गुलाम ने देखा कि उसके पंजे में एक बड़ा सा कांटा चुभा हुआ है. Then the slave saw at a stretch very slightly that the biggest prick has pricked on his paw very dangerously. गुलाम ने हिम्मत उस शेर तक जाने की न हुई. But he was thoroughly feared from that lion and he was unable to proceed towards the lion. शेर फिर गुर्राया. The lion roared again और अपना पंजा उसकी ओर बढ़ाया. And he proceeded that paw again towards him. उसके चेहरे पर क्रूरता नहीं बल्कि पीड़ा के भाव दिखाई दे रहे थे. There was the sadness showing at that moment in spite of the cruelty just because of paining on his paw. गुलाम के मन में दया आ गई. Then the slave person kinded on that lion. उसने सोचा कि उस निर्दयी मालिक के हाथों से मरने की अपेक्षा यह ज्यादा अच्छा है. He thought at a stretch that this help is more better than that cruel one master's torturization. वह शेर के पास गया and after thinking he planned to go near the lion who was suffering the pain, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द से कराह रहा था. और एंड उसके पंजे को पकड़कर उसमें चुभा काटा निकाल दिया. Then that kind one person threw that thorn after having the lion's paw. paw. शेर कुछ देर उसे दया की दृष्टि से देखता रहा. After getting down that thorn, the lion looked to that kind person for the few moments continuously, very kindly. फिर धीरे धीरे एक ओर चला गया. And then he left aside slowly, slowly. गुलाम को उस जंगल में रहते हुए 1 महीना बीत गया. And here the slave person had spent his 1 month slowly, slowly in that jungle livingly. एक दिन जब वह एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठा था. One day when he was sitting vacant under that tree, उस समय शिकार करने के लिए आए हुए सिपाहियों ने उसे देखा. जमींदार उसके भागने की शिकायत राजा से कर चुका था. The landlord had already complained of that person from the king that he ran and come at my place. अतः सिपाही उसे पकड़कर राजा के पास ले गए. Hence their soldier came and kept that person and brought towards the king. और उसे कैद खाने में बंद करा दिया गया. And that person was prisoned by the king for the few days. राजा ने उसे भूखे शेर के आगे छोड़ने का हुक्म दिया. And then that king ordered to leave that person under the hunger lion for few days. निर्धारित तिथि को उसे एक बड़े से मैदान में लाया गया. And after ending the decided date, that prisoner had to bring out in the biggest one garden. After the king's planning, मैदान के चारों ओर लोहे की बाड़ लगी थी. There was the surroundings very biggest of that iron one grill around that ground which was very huge. बाढ़ के उस पार लोगों के बैठने की जगह बनी थी. There was also very huge sitting arrangements of the seeing audience who was interesting to see that condition, that what will be the result of the king's prisoner. एक ऊंचे मंच पर राजा तथा उसके मंत्रीगण बैठे थे. There was already present the king and their minister on the huge stage, which was especially for only both of them. फिर कटघरे में बंद एक शेर को लाया गया. After that, after some time, the locked lion sprang out according to the plan towards the king, जिसे भूखा रखा गया था, who was got hungered for a few days. that hunger-worn lion had sprang out from that king. फिर कटघरे में बंद एक शेर को लाया गया and after that one another lion sprang out for having clash in between those lions और उनमें लड़ाई भी हुई and after few minutes they faced to both of them with battling. जिसे भूखा रखा गया था who was already got hungered कटघरे के दरवाजे को खोलकर शेर को उस मैदान में छोड़ दिया गया. Then after some time that locked one lion had been quieted thoroughly in that biggest one ground. After some time जहां वह गुलाम खड़ा था where that slave person had already stood for facing the situation, शेर दहाड़ता हुआ उस गुलाम की ओर दौड़ा. After some time the cruel lion came towards the person with roaring very hardly. मगर उस गुलाम के पास पहुंचकर वह अचानक रुक गया. But after some time he stopped at a stretch to see that kind one slave who was very helpful for that lion. फिर सिर झुकाकर ठीक किसी पालतू कुत्ते की तरह उसके पास आया. Then after some time that lion came towards that person and sat just near him as a domestic dog और उसके शरीर से अपना शरीर रगड़ने लगा. And then he dropped his body from that kind one person. गुलाम ने देखा कि यह वही शेर है. Then after some time the slave person understood that this is the same lion जिसके पैर से उसने कांटा निकाला था, from whose he got down the thorn and he threw that thorn away. वह शेर के पास बैठ गया. After some time he also sat just near that lion और उसके शरीर पर हाथ फेरने लगा. And he wrapped his hand just as he had a domestic dog. शेर भी अपना सिर उसकी पीठ से रगड़ने लगा. And then after some time that lion started to rub his back from that backbone. यह सब देखकर राजा सहित सभी लोग आश्चर्यचकित रह गए. After seeing this situation, all of the minister's person and all of the parliament got thoroughly confused. राजा ने उस गुलाम को अपने पास आने को कहा. And after some time, the king said to come. The king asked to come that person towards the king. शेर को वहीं छोड़कर वह राजा के पास पहुंचा. After quitting the lion, that person reached just near the king. After some time, राजा ने उससे इस प्रकार की घटना का कारण पूछा. Then the king, confused and asked the all situation of that naivety from that king, from that slave person. गुलाम ने सारा किस्सा सुनाया. Then the slave person recited his all past stories, which he spent from that loin. सब कुछ सुनकर राजा ने कहा, after reciting everything, the king said कि अपने साथ किए गए उपकार का बदला शेर ने जानवर होते हुए भी चुका दिया. अपने साथ किए गए उपकार का बदला शेर ने जानवर होते हुए भी चुका दिया. The lion replied the favor turned to him despite being an animal. सभी को इससे शिक्षा लेनी चाहिए. Everybody used to learn from this incident. इसके बाद राजा ने गुलाम को बहुत बड़ा धन देकर उसे अपने देश जाने की आज्ञा दे दी. After some time, that king provided the huge amount to that slave person and sent him also to their own country with a permission. और साथ ही उस शेर को भी मुक्त कर जंगल में छोड़ दिया. And along with that, that king also quitted that animal and lived to that forest in which he used to live already very rejoicefully. So students, the moral of the story is do good so have good, means कर भला तो हो भला. See you in next video. Dear English. Hey, listen me once more. That don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I hope you were forgetting to this one proverb, which is only mine. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video as long as my old one. See you in next video. Dear English.